everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be walking around one of our brand new Burstners that has just arrived into stock, and that is the 684. So if you're after a compact motorhome yet not lacking on space, stay tuned and we'll take a wee look around this beauty. So the B66 is exclusive to 2026. It's a brand new take on the Lizio. Externally we have the Tenorite grey with your gold decals alongside, which is just so rich and luxurious looking. You've got your colour coded bumpers at the front as well, so this all ties in. You've got the LED daytime running headlights. It's 4-berth with 4 seat belts and measures in at 6.89 metres in length. We've got lots of lovely features externally. We've got a solar panel on the roof. It's 100 watt and it also comes with a lithium leisure battery as standard. You've got a TV point and you've also got a barbecue point. Another nice touch is your LED light bar, the full length of the awning. You've got your electric welcome step here, your 16-inch two-tone alloys, and you've also got a huge garage. So despite the van only being 6.89 metres, you've got plenty of space there for all your outdoor gear. We've got a reverse camera at the back, and then at the other side we've got access to the garage. You've got that extra height as well for a bit more storage. And another thing to mention is that you can actually access the garage from the bathroom, so you don't need to step outside anytime you need to put something in the garage. At this side we have a shower point, your hookups situated over here as well, and your gas bottles stay in this locker. So into the driver's cab area, we're really not lacking on luxury here. You've got your full leather upholstery finish, and you've also got the B66 embroidery on your seat. You've got a leather multifunctional steering wheel here as well. You've got all your driver aids, so it does make it a lovely driving experience. So you've got your electric park brake there, your automatic lights, automatic drive as well. Here is your multimedia system. So your reverse camera is built into that. You've also got a sat nav. And you've got your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto, so you have everything you need to hit the road. So we're into the front lounge, and what a setup it is here. You've got your seat belts, which are actually tucked underneath the seats. You've got your bench seat layout, of course, with your full leather upholstery finish, which ties in with your driver and your passenger seat. You've got a huge table here, so that folds in half, but it definitely is a comfortable place for sitting your friends and your family. You probably didn't realise there's actually a double drop down bed over the lounge as well, so it basically stays tucked up. Now it drops the full way down to the floor if there's just 2 people, but if you do happen to be sleeping 4 in this vehicle, this table drops down and your cushions make up into a large double bed down here. So stepping into our kitchen area, you've got your Thetford combi oven and grill here with your 3-ring gas burner. You've plenty of storage in all of your cupboards. And then you've an additional bit of worktop space here, so it is quite smart in the sense that it covers the sink whenever you're not using it, and it also gives you that extra bit of space too. What I do like is the matte black trimmings on all your sink and your little lights. So you've got lights here that you can take off and adjust those wherever you need. You've got a USB port there as well, but I just think the colour scheme is something different. So we've got a bit of underfloor storage, which is here, and your ladder's kept there for whenever you need to climb into the drop down bed. Just behind me is our TV bracket, so that does come out and swivel. Our control panels are up here. So this is your main control panel where you activate the water pump and just basically check all your levels out. You've got Truma combi gas and electric heating system in this vehicle as well. Behind here is your huge fridge. That's the whole way from the floor up. So you've got heaps of storage in there. You've got a little cooler box at the bottom as well, and you have a nice big freezer. This has to be my favourite part of the vehicle. Look at this bathroom. So you've got the mirror for getting ready in the morning. And look at that for storage. You've got your hanging rail. There's plenty of little places to put your shoes. And then you've also got cupboards for your clothes. The toilet is just over here with the sink. You've got an additional mirror there as well. And then you've got your cupboards for your toiletries. So your shower is over here. And what I do like about this is the space. You do have plenty of space in this shower, and Burstner's really utilised the space in the back of the van to make out for a spacious bathroom. This is your little cupboard where you can access the garage, as I was saying earlier, so you don't necessarily have to go outside, especially on a day like that. So that was a walk through our Burstner B66 684. All of our B66 range is coming in fast for 2026, so come on down and be one of the first people to take a look in these beautiful models. You can get us on 028 9269 3999 if you'd like to call and make an appointment with any of our sales reps. You can also give me an email, and it's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.